stupid people in the background. I can hear them, I don't need them, but they're just stupid. Trying to chat loads of shit, gonna disrupt. I don't need that kind of weight on my chest today. Now it best just play as it needs to, cause if it don't, I will be real sad. Cause I just need to get this done before 20 past 7. And so I'm leveling up on the elevator. So my nuts, your bitch is just a hater. Fortunately, I'm on about you. See you later, yeah, your bitch. Cause I'm on this shit. And your hoes on my dick, and you was her bitch, and now shit, you're just hitting on my shit, cause you cannot get it, and you want to be like the best. Well, guess what, you're never gonna be like me, cause I'm the greatest in the whole entire world. Can you taste this beat? Can you taste this melody? Yes, you can. Just like vanilla man, yeah, shit, I'm gonna lick it, cause it's a scream, yeah, shit, now I'm just sliding about on the floor, so slippery, everything is made out of ice, so cold, my beats are, yeah, shit, now I'm gonna spit on these bars, yo, wait up, yeah, shit, nah, I did not actually, cause this is my room where I sleep, and it was rock, and it would be smelly if I start spitting it. Shit, now I'm always spitting them bars, but I'm never going to talk. Yeah, I'm just making that noise with my voice. I'm so hot, yes, I am gonna blaze 25 gram to my face. Hey, hey, every day, yeah, shit, that is what I say. Getting so high on the ecstasy. Yes, I might be doing that, huh? Shit, you're just the stupid twat. Yo, here we go on the flow, that yo. Yeah, you know that I'm gonna take your hoe, take your bitch, getting so rich, yes, shit. I'm gonna take you the foot down right now, yeah, take. Sit the foot down, see the clown in the town selling brown. That's what I did to get the quids really quick. Yeah, shit, your dirty boys, they were bad girls, them real quick. Shit, RIP to him, cause he's dead now. Yeah, that was not the best. Now, no, it was not, cause you know my shots they went down a lot. Yeah, they did, cause he was bringing in like 6 million quid a fucking month. Yeah, shit, now. Just fucking books to the brain instead of eating all of them fucking edibles as well. Shit, yeah, now that book of smell cannabis. Saying it's just bullshit, yeah, I never did any of this, but I'm just going as fast as I can. I'm just gonna say all the words on the floor. Fuck that bitch, cause she's just a stupid oh, gonna take my breath, yeah, she know that I'm gonna slow it down real quick, kicking all shit, really feel that this is the beat that I'm on, needed, kill myself with those drugs, so I had to put them away, so I did, stop it. Stop it! Stop it! That's what I did, yeah, shit. Now I'm gonna shoot them people in the head, cause they get in the way, trying shit, just taking the piss, trying to take my peace, trying to take my change, yeah, but that's not gonna be happening, no it ain't, I've got the aim, accuracy is accurate as fuck, so you best not take the piss, cause I will just blaze this trigger into your face. Shit, don't even mind for snicker, cause it ain't funny. No, it ain't. Don't play away with my money, cause I will run at you with my left and right. They are the glocks that I've got. No, they are not my feet in the socks. Shit, no, they ain't not, cause I'm gonna take your fucking head off with a kicks and a bit silly bitch. Yeah, no, I'm not. I'm gonna hit you up with a fist. Left, right, good night. Yeah, I'm not getting pissed. Just getting high on the cannabis. Take a fucking piss, cause I fucking can't. But the back, yeah, I'm not on the shit that's gonna rot away my body like that body. Fuck them people making lots of noise in the background. You might even be able to hear a sound. Yeah, shit will be done, cause you know it's freestyle. So I might as well say the words that are never gonna come out again. Sing a bit. 1.25 is sweet do vibe on this kind of fucking beat. Every day popping those pills like ecstasy. Shit, yeah, we are gonna get the clip folded in face. You're smoking potent, you're just a disgrace, and you're old. Some of the peas to my mates, so we're just gonna take you out. Yeah, shit, gonna take you away from this place. Yeah, it's called Earth. You will not rebirth. You're just a piece of dirt. Shit, that's what I said. Yeah, you heard it from me first. Shit, yeah, I'm gonna burst through it like a fucking new clip loaded in my new magazine. Shit, I don't know what I mean. Yeah, I don't know what I'm saying. But I'm on the floor just praying that I can go to the top. Yes, please get me up. I need to. I'm on my knees too. Shit, nah, I'm not. But yeah, let's go on the floor. Let's do that shit. Yeah, I know it's a blessing to be alive right now. So I thank my guy above. Yeah, shit, now I'm gonna smoke up on the buds every day. Good sleep, that is what I say. Yeah, I'm just gonna let my words come out of my mouth for me. That's what I do. 1, 2, 3 every day. Yeah, shit, I'm not even talking myself. No, my fault is, yeah, my vocals are just going on their own, and that is all I know. But your bitch is a hoe. So she obviously switched up, bro. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, so just fuck that bitch anyway. Get on, that ain't playing. Yo, otherwise they're all just trying to take your pay, yeah, trying to take your change, trying to make you change for absolutely no reason, yeah, shit. So I'm leaving in a bit, taking these drugs to my face to bring the peace that these hoes, yeah, they will leave me with an open wound that I need to heal, yeah, because I need to feel the drugs inside my body, and then I stop. No, it's not good for your body, and I don't give a fuck. So I just tell you that it's a bit dope, high, I'm on cannabis all night, 24/7. Yes, this is what I'm hitting up. Gonna smoke on a poker cannabis, cause it's the best shit that you've ever witnessed in your life, like your whole fist. Yes, I'm not chatting no crap, I'm not chatting no shit. Hopefully you cannot hear those little pricks in the background. Yeah, the sound, hopefully you cannot hear it, but if you can, then it's alright. Yeah, I'm not gonna steer it, cause it's just a freestyle, and we're just gonna, I don't know what we're gonna do, turn it into my career shit. Yeah, we're gonna keep it on the shit. Yeah, we're just doing this channel for the freestyles and that, and then we're gonna get the other for the proper bangers that we've got on. Yeah, shit, no, you're not. I'm not taking no drugs. I'm just shine. Yeah, put it in my pocket and I will get it. Yeah, I'm on about the cash in my wallet. Who the fuck are you? I'm popping the mullet every night. Why? Cause I can. Yeah, I'm kind of fan. A bunch of people that I know. But there's like one or two bros, they go sin a bit, yeah, don't give a shit, sin a bit, that's what I said, they dip, yeah, it's okay, cause I get it, yeah, I don't give a shit either, I'm just trying to reach for the stars right now, yeah, My eye, gonna put that down. My eyes are not faint, nor the aim, but sometimes, yeah, when I aim the drops in, then, yeah, I'm shooting the fucking eye drops to keep my eye up, yeah. Keeps it healthy, but it has to be closed, cause it resting 24/7, that's how I chose to be, yeah, loads of grief, but it's going to keep going back to that position is in, yeah, is no, I ain't taking the piss, yo, yeah, shit, yes, lit, yeah, sick, cause I stabbed it with the fork when I was 11, no, I was not sick, in the back of the ambulance, like, yo, yeah, I did not have the fork, I gonna take it out right away, that's what I did, hey.